guys, today we're gonna be reading Please Do Not Sneeze by the Oxford Reading Tree. Let's start reading! Please do not sneeze, Oxford Reading Tree. Anina was on the beach with Wilf and Wilma. It was sunny, but the sea was chilly. It's too chilly to swim. There were lots of people on the beach. Wilf had a frisbee. "Catch!" she called. "Mind the people!" Anina ran to catch the frisbee. She nearly ran into some children. The children looked upset. The children was lost. "We can't see Mommy and Daddy," said the girl. The children were called Lily and Charlie. Anina and Wilma took them to the lost children's hut. "We will wait with you until your mommy comes," said Anina. "Let me tell you a story," said Anina. In a far-off land, there was a princess, but she had a problem. The princess was called Sophie. The problem was her sneeze. She has a loud sneeze. When she sneezed, it sounded as if she was saying some funny things, like cheesy feet or stinky socks. That's pretty weird. Chimney sweep. People said Sophie was shouting at them. They did not like it. "She called me cheesy feet." The queen was cross with Sophie. "You need better manners," she said. "What a chic!" Mossy teeth. Sophie sneezed into her handkerchief. Even the king was cross with Sophie. "Tut, tut," he said. "You bad girl." So Sophie sneezed harder and harder. "I do not mean to be bad," said Sophie. "But when I sneeze, people think I am shouting at them." Sophie was so unhappy, she ran off. She ran deep into the forest, but soon she was lost. "But guys, how does she get back?" She sat down on a bed of leaves. "I will rest my hand on these leaves," she said, and soon she fell asleep. She was asleep all night. To her relief, she did not sneeze at all. Why didn't she sneeze? Sophie sat up with a start. A field mouse and an owl and a donkey were looking at her. "You must be the sneezing princess," said the little mouse. "Yes, I am," said Sophie, "but out here in the forest, I do not sneeze at all." "But why?" "People sneeze a lot," said the donkey. "There's too much dust in their houses." "Too much dust." "Dust. Okay." The king and the queen ran up. "Sophie," said the king, We have found you. What a relief. We must get rid of the dust. Just then, Charlie saw his mummy. Charlie, Lily, she said, I have found you. What a relief. They finally found Charlie and Lily. Yay! We did like the story, said Lily. Did Sophie stop teasing? What do you think? Asked Nina. Yes, if they did the dusting. How do you guys like today's Please Do Not Sneeze videos? I am curious. Bye!